It's a good day today. Woo! Look at the lead. Go this way a little there. That's why you want the railings now. Doing 7.4 miles an hour right now. Whole speed of this boat. Sails are filled. Oh man, look at the lead. Look at this. We are like close to the water. You can touch it. Oh, look at that rookie. Holy cow, we got this thing going. Woo! That's how you do a jibe turn, sailing.
Are we doing a power jibe?
Ah! Right now we're just steadying things out here a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna be the power jibe here. All right, here we go. Down. In. Yeah. Okay. That was good fun.
Are we successfully on course? Oh.
I don't know.
Looking good, sailor.
Does a jib look at the front of it?